Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be turning myself into the Grinch. I'm super excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Make sure that you go to my Instagram and check out my Christmas makeup series that I'm doing right now. My Instagram will pop up down here, and I will also link it in my description box below. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube family. And don't forget to leave me some comments down below. Now, let's hop into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking my prosthetics. I got this off of the website Mostly Dead, and I will link that in my description box below for you guys. It feels really nice quality. This is the first time I'm ordering from them. It was kind of together, but I pulled it apart because I want to put them on separately. So it comes with the foam latex mouth and then the foam latex brow. Now this can be used as a dog or it can be used as the Grinch. So I'm going to be applying this with my PROSTHETIC. This is PROSTHETIC, so this is a adhesive, and I also have a remover for it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just taking the PROSTHETIC. There's green fur everywhere, you can see in the back. So I'm going to be using for the fur. I got that at Joann's craft store. But I'm taking a brush that I don't mind throwing away. And I got these brushes. They were a pack of 100 on Amazon, and I will link them down below. But I'm basically just putting this on a brush, and I'm going to put it all inside the prosthetic and then place it on my face. I'm also going to cover my eyebrows a little bit just in case with some purple Elmer's glue. I'm also taking some neutral set powder from Ben Nye, and I'm just kind of covering my eyebrows where the glue is. And then I'm gonna glue down this prosthetic a little bit more in the nose region to make it stay. So I got it pretty down for the most part. I'm not too concerned about the sides because later I am going to be taking that green fur and I'm going to be putting it around the sides to kind of cover this up anyway. And then I'm also going to be wearing that Santa hat back there. So yeah, I mean, it's on my forehead. I have it in the right placement. Everything is glued down, and I might even put a little bit of liquid latex to make like these edges blend a little bit better. But now I'm going to put on the mouth in the same fashion, putting the PROSTHETIC on the appliance and then sticking it to my face where I see fit. So pretty much this is what the inside of the appliance looks like, and I'm going to put around the edges. I'm not going to put in here where my nose goes because I want to be able to breathe and I don't want to die, and you know, I don't want the chemicals and the smells, so I'm just going to put it around the edges and leave the nose open, but just make sure that the sides are glued down. It's already getting hot under here. That'd be so fun to be Jim Carrey in The Grinch because, I mean, God, how could you not come into character like looking like this? God, I look so weird. Oh, how fun. Okay, I'm gonna just glue this down a little bit better down here, get it all nice and tight to my face, and I will be all right back. And just so you guys know, I'm going off of the movie poster. I will put it right here. So that is my reference photo that I am going to be working off of today. So I got this down how I want it. Like I said, I'm not going to be putting, I'm not really gluing down the edges just because I'm going to be putting fur here anyway. So I am going to get my paints together and then I will be right back. Are you guys in there? I'm going to now go in with my Mehron Paradise paint, and this is in the shade Amazon Green, and I'm liking how this is so far. So as you can see, I'm all nice and glued down, and now I'm just gonna start throwing some paint on, and then probably do some highlighting and stuff in here and shading, just so you don't see the edges. We'll see how that goes, but let's start painting. It really isn't easy being green. I'm just gonna cover my whole prosthetic, literally. The only thing I am leaving, obviously, is like my waterline. And it's okay to paint over this nose because we're going to shade it a different color. I'm like such a mouth breather in here. Oh man, I don't know how Jim Carrey did it. Yeah, I feel like the edges will look a lot better once I do my magic. And by magic, I mean shading and color. I'm just going to cover the rest of my face, you guys, and then I will be right back. All right. Welcome back. I painted my whole face green. So now I'm going to, for the rest of the video, put my hair up because I'm going to be painting down my neck as well. So what I like to do is I have it in a ponytail. Remember, I'm going to be wearing a Santa hat as well, maybe. So I'm just gonna pin my hair up with some bobby pins. God, it's so hard to breathe under here. Ugh, I totally underestimated this. I think we're good for now. Now let's start going in on the face. So I'm just going to be going in with the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this darker green down here, and I'm going to be shading in all of the lines. Where's my brush? Just kind of get it in all of these folds. And then the nose is a little bit darker of a green, so I'm going to be doing that as well. I have a different face paint from Mehron. This is dark green, so we're going to see how this looks, and if not, I'm going to add a little bit of black. I think I'm going to add a touch of black with this one. There we go. I think that's a little bit more of the color. Okay, I'm also going to be taking this same dark green that I blended, and I'm going to be using it for the little like holes. I'm assuming like, I don't know what you would call these, like whisker holes. just gonna do a little touch up shading in these lines, and I will be right back for the next step. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting color in my waterline. I was gonna do like a white pencil, then I remembered that the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lips are safe to go on your eyes, so I have this shade, what is this? No Offense, I think it's called, and I'm gonna stick this in my waterline. Wish me luck, you guys. Okay, I think that makes the look a little bit better, and my eyes are fine. They're not burning or anything, so I'm alive. So next what I'm going to do is I have some false lashes that I'm going to put on, because on the Jim Carrey costume he does have like these really cool lashes. Mine probably aren't going to be exact, but they are pretty like separated and long, so I am going to be applying these. Okay, got one down. Now for the next one. Alright, so I got the lashes on, and I think I'm gonna try going in with a little bit of liquid latex. Just, I know it's a little late, but around the edges, just to make them look a little more seamless. And then when they dry, I'm gonna paint it green again, or that the glue would be laid down a little more, but I like it to look a little bit more seamless, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm sure it will be okay. And then next we're gonna be taking that green fuzz back there, and I'm gonna be creating the hair around the face, and then I'm gonna be creating the eyebrows as well. So when this is dry, I will be right back, and you will see it painted over and hopefully looking a little bit more seamless. So as you can see, my edges look a lot better than they did before. I'm still not worried about this because I'm going to be covering it. Same with these, and I'm going to be wearing that what is it called? The Santa hat. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to be taking this, and the stuff is getting everywhere. But so what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to pull off the fuzz, and then I am going to take my Elmer's glue and just start putting it where I want. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go over with my paint and kind of flick on like the same color paint as this. So here we go. Actually, I might take like lash glue instead, just because it's a little bit thinner. So let's start with, we'll get like the sides over here. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Ah, it's getting everywhere. It's okay. It's the small price that we have to pay. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, let's see how the Elmer's glue works. I feel like, I mean, this stuff is pretty sticky too, so. Yeah, I guess that works too. I think I'm liking the lash glue a little bit better. So I feel like it would go like right here. I'm gonna try to roll it because I feel like it's a little bit thicker on his brows. So maybe if I kind of roll the hair in my fingers, it will be easier up here. So I'm just kind of twisting it, like trying all sorts of different adhesives, but that's okay. I feel like that's what art and makeup is all about. Yeah, I feel like Prosade just always wins. Prosade is the winner. I cut off some of the fabric. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to paint, I'm starting to paint just like a little bit down my arms. I'm gonna paint the rest of my chest green, and then we will put the hat on and we will be done. Okay guys, so I got the hair to stay on, and then I just put on the little hat and I painted like to my chest. So this is the Grinch makeup, and you can go as far as doing your hand and stuff too, which I think I will probably do just so I can take like some photos for my Instagram. So if you like what you see, then give me a thumbs up. As you can see, this makeup was pretty difficult, just in the sense that like the hair gets everywhere. You have to color match the hair to the face. You can't breathe really well in this. So props to Jim Carrey and for all of those who are actors and have to wear things over their nose, because this is just insane. But I had so much fun creating this look, and thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I would love for you to join my family on YouTube, so hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides, and please check out my Christmas series on Instagram. Oops. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.